Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If Google Chrome is blocking your access to a website with an SSL certificate error, it means the browser cannot verify the site's security identity. I will show you exactly how to safely bypass this connection warning right now. Let's get started. First, if you absolutely trust the website and need immediate access, you can manually override the warning. Click the Advanced button located at the bottom left of the Chrome Privacy Error screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the expanded text warning. Click the link that says Proceed to Website to explicitly accept the risk and load the page. Next, if the website uses strict security policies, Chrome may completely hide the Proceed link. Click anywhere on the blank space of the error page to ensure the Chrome window is actively in focus. Type the exact phrase, "This is unsafe," directly on your keyboard without pressing the Enter key. Chrome will immediately register this hidden developer command and automatically load the blocked website. Finally, if you receive this error on every single website, your operating system's certificate cache is likely corrupted. Press the Windows key, type Internet Options, and press Enter to open your system network properties. Navigate to the Content tab located near the top of the Properties window. Click the button labeled Clear SSL State and click OK to completely reset your secure connection data. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.